Hi guys and welcome to BRW tutorials. In this tutorial, I have shown on how you can set deposit for a product. Now let's get into this video. This feature allows you to set deposit payments where your customers will have to pay a certain amount upfront when they experience service. In this video, we show to pause the first part, set deposit for a product, the second part, deposit in manage orders feature. Let's go to the first part, set deposit for a product. You go over products, add new. Let's go to this deposit tab. With enable deposit field, you choose yes if you want to use this feature. Choose no if you don't want to use this feature. With show full payment field, choose yes if you want to show full payment option in the front end. Choose no if you want to hide this option. Our plugin support to deposit types, a percentage amount of payment, and a fixed amount of payment. Suppose I choose a percentage amount of payment and I set. A customer can choose full payment option or deposit payment. Suppose a customer choose deposit payment and he book. His order number is 765. Deposit in manage orders feature. You come back to the dashboard, go over products, manage order. Let's go to 765 order. After a customer pays for deposit of his order, you will see deposit status is partial payment. Then you have to create remaining amount invoice and send it to customers, so they will pay for remaining amount. Our plugin supports two ways to create remaining amount invoice: create remaining invoice manually and create remaining invoice automatically. The first way, create remaining invoice manually. You go to the detail order. Click create remaining invoice button. You move on order action tabs and you choose and you select send order details to customer. So an email including link to pay for remaining invoice will be sent to customers emailed. The customer payment page will be like this. Create remaining invoice automatically. Let's go to the dashboard. Go over Woocommerce settings, booking and rental. Reminder. Remaining invoice tab. With enable tab, you tick the checkbox. The system will automatically create remaining invoice with X day before pickup date. The system will create remaining amount invoice X day before pickup date. Suppose that a customer has B order. Pickup date is 10th of August. If you set 3 for this tab, in the 7th of August, the system will send remaining amount invoice to the customer email. Check periodically every X seconds for create a remaining amount invoice. Suppose you set with B order in the 7th of August, the system will create remaining invoice of B order twice and send the remaining invoice twice to customers' email. After 7th of August, the system will stop create remaining invoice of B order because it doesn't satisfy the requirements. Create remaining amount invoice 3 days before pickup date. Send email. After creating remaining amount invoice, the system will automatically send remaining invoice to the customer email. If you want to, you tick the checkbox. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.